Hi, I'm Chef Steve Sampson from Rosso Blue Restaurant in Los Angeles. Today we'll be cooking spaghetti and meatballs with Lee Kum Kee Panda brand oyster flavored sauce. I started cooking in New York City professionally, so this dish I think is inspired by that one little part of the city where Chinatown meets Little Italy, and adding in Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce for really giving it a depth of flavor and a real punch of umami. My mom was from Bologna, Italy. I grew up having great dining experiences with my family, my nonna cooking, and when I was opening Rosso Blue, I decided I wanted to get back to basics and really cook the food that I grew up eating and the food that inspired me to become a chef. Bolognese cooking is delicious, but it's not spicy, it's not acidic, it's very straightforward. So the main flavoring ingredient that you really have to hit is the umami. Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce really helps make this pasta sauce great. It just adds a depth of flavor, a great umami base for the dish, and also just a touch of sweetness, which really brings out all the flavors in the vegetables and the meatballs. So that's how you make spaghetti and meatballs with oyster sauce. You can get the full recipe at usa.lkk.com. So buon appetito. I'm gonna try it. It smells delicious. Just a real depth of flavor, really nice. I think this is a great way to use Lee Kum Kee oyster flavored sauce.